thank you sa ating lovers of the night. Sila po ang tinanghal na
King and Queen. From
Star Nights
Nights of yesterday's event for yung ating Gemini's Christmas special. Ayan po, silang dalawa. So ang ating pinakamahirap na question sa inyo ay ano masasabi niyo sa ating event kahapon?
Amazing.
Amazing. Was a very nice experience.
Yes. This is a very biglaan na lakad. Pero, grabe. Buti na lang.
Buti na tuloy.
Buti na tuloy.
Very,
Pero talaga
very successful.
pag biglaan natutuloy. And grabing experience. Great experience.
Sino ba yung sumama yung pakiramdam?
Yung isa. Sumama yung makiramdam. Buti na lang nakasama.
Oo. Yes, oo.
Kaya pala nakubuti nila. Kita mo ngayon, gumaling na yung pakiramdam mo.
Grabe.
Kailangan talaga ng yung astronomical therapy.
Yes.
Sulit at mauulit.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
so much, guys. So sa ating activity, ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan ninyo sa ating
Ako, overall, lahat naman. As in, especially yung moon, nag-start sa sun, then the moon, and nakita din yung, anong galaxy?
Nebula.
Nebula, yeah, Nebula.
Orion Nebula.
Na-picturean, Orion Nebula. And, madaming shooting stars na nakita, of course.
Saka syempre yung special prenup shoot.
Yes!
Yun
Yun pala, yung nakalimutan.
Naiyak pa si Sir kasi
Guys, ano yung wish nyo for ATP?
yan.
Sana maging mas successful pa
Yes.
yung ATV. And good luck sa
inaabangan natin.
na opening ng
opening.
observatory nyo.
Oo, talagang Invited kayo, guys.
Yes, pupuntahan talaga namin.
Oh, guys, ito, take note nyo na. Naka-video tayo. Free one night kayo, tsaka food. Promise yan. Oh. Ba't may sumasagot doon? Ito lang yung tinatanong ko eh. May sumasagot doon. May sumasagot. Oh guys, promise. Free kayo mag-tent ng 1 day, 1 night. It's up to you na kung gusto nyo mag-extend. Pero free lahat yun. Wala na kayong dadaling kundi
Sarili lang. Yes.
kasama yung kasama yung daily activities ng resort. Kasi meron kaming scuba diving, meron kaming tawag doon, snorkeling, yung jet ski, banana boat, mga ganon.
Kailan ba yan?
Hopefully next year.
Basta pag-pray nyo lang kami na mapabilis.
Definitely.
Kasi nasa first stage na kami, I mean going second stage.
Yes.
Okay, again guys, thank you so much. Ingat kayo sa biyahe.
Thank you.
Sa itong Stars of the Night.
See you again. See you again.
Top of the
Okay.
night, At saka single of the night.